Welcome to the video lecture series of Theory of Computation. Today we are going to learn about regular expression. I'm your instructor Poonam Patel. Let's start to understand regular expression. Now first, what is regular expression? So, a regular expression is used to define the languages which is accepted by the finite automata. So, we can say that it is a way to define the languages accepted by the finite automata. Now, before going to understand about the regular expression in a detail, we have to understand the notation which we can use in a regular expression. So, the first notation is plus symbol. When this symbol is appeared in a power like a raised to plus, what it means? So this is a regular expression a raised to plus. So this is regular expression. What it means? When the symbol is appear in a power, the plus symbol indicating this symbol is generated set of strings which containing the letter A is repeated one or more times. So here you can see I have write down the set of strings in a curly bracket like a raised to 1, a raised to 2, a raised to 3, a raised to 4 up to infinite. So plus indicating the letter should be repeated one or more times. Now next notation star, which is called as a clean star. Clean star, whenever it is appeared in a power like a star, what it means that so the symbol is repeated 0 or more times. Always remember the difference between these two. Plus means repeated one or more times, so minimum length should be 1, but in a star length is 0, 0 or more times. So this set of string is containing also empty string. So a raised to 0, a raised to 1, a raised to 2, a raised to 3, a raised to 4 likewise. Okay, so a raised to 0 means the string which containing length 0. It means that it represent the empty string which we can denoted by the two symbols. Either you can use epsilon symbol or caret symbol, any symbol you can use, but it means that it defines the empty string. Always remember this thing. Now let us take the example and understand how we can write down the regular expression for the given languages. So first the language that given over here is, they say that we have to write down the regular expression for the set of strings which containing either 0 or 1. This is the very simple example that I have taken. Okay, now what alphabet it containing 0 comma 1. So here how we can write down the regular expression. Now understand, they say that the language containing only two strings, the first string at 0 and the second is 1. So always whenever you are going to write down the regular expression, always think about the valid string. Okay, so they said that only two strings 0 or 1. So or it means that either 0 or 1. So whenever 0 word is appeared between these between the symbols, we have to express it in a regular expression by the plus, like you can see over here. This is the regular expression for this language, 0 or 1. So or in place of or I have put down the plus in between these two symbols. So it indicate, this regular expression indicate the set of string which is generated from this regular expression is 0 plus indicating or 0 or 1. Always remember this plus is not mentioned in a power. Okay, if I have mentioned in a power plus symbol, it means it is its meaning is different. Okay, now in between this symbol I have mentioned plus, it means that it defines the or either 0 or 1 likewise. Now let us understand the next example. The strings that containing either 0 or 1 1 or triple 1 over the alphabet 0 comma 1. Okay, so how we can write down? So already I have explained in the first example, the same example I have given. Okay, so 0 or means 0 plus double 1 plus triple 1. Okay, now move on the next third one. The regular expression we have to write down over the alphabet A comma B, B comma C that represent all the string of length 3. What it means that? So this language containing the strings whose length is 3, exactly length 3, not less than, not greater than, but exactly length 3. So what kind of string is generated from this alphabet ABC? So triple A, 3 is yes, this is valid string. ABB, yes, this is valid string. BAA, valid string. CBA, valid string. ABC, valid string. BCA, valid string. Triple C, valid string, like this. But always length. So the total number of characters in the string must be 3. So how we can write down the regular expression? So always remember, whenever the length related, whenever we have to write down the regular expression related to the length, always focus on length. Which length is given over here? 3. So I have write down the 3 terms. First, second, third, 3 terms. Now in first term, any letter can come. Any letter means either A or B or C. In second term, any letter can appear. In third term, any letter. Why I have mentioned 3 terms? Because they have said the length 3. So in first term, A plus B plus C. So any letter can appear, either A or B or B or C. In second term, any letter can appear, A plus B plus C. And third term, any letter can appear, A plus B plus C. So likewise, we can generate the set of string whose length is 3. So suppose I want to generate the triple A. So in first term, pick up the A. In second term, pick up the A, and third term, pick up the A dot A dot A. It means that the set of it means that string triple A. Okay, like BAA. First term B, second term A, third term A. BAA likewise. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Now move on the next. Strings having 0 or more A over the alphabet single A over the alphabet A. Okay, now what it means, the A letter should be repeated 0 or more times. A raised to 0, A raised to 1, A raised to 2, A raised to 3, which is already we have discussed in a previous slide. So how we can write down the regular expression for this? A raised to star. So star itself indicating the symbol is repeated 0 or more times. A raised to 0, A raised to 1, A raised to 2, A raised to 3 likewise. Okay. So simple, write down the regular expression A raised to star. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Now fifth one. Strings having one or more A. Okay. Now the A letter is repeated one or more times, so not including empty string. So which symbol we can use? Plus, but plus symbol in power. So which symbol we have repeated? A. So A raised to plus, A raised to plus. Okay. So here I have written A raised to plus. Now let us take the another example. Strings that start with 1 over the alphabet 0, comma 1. Now understand this example. Okay. Question is given like this. Write down the regular expression for the set of string which start with 1. Okay. Now what is the alphabet they have given? 0, comma 1. So in this in set of string containing 0, 1 symbol. Okay. Now they have given the position. Now start with. So whenever the order is given, we have to focus in order. First of all, we need to think about what kind of string is a valid string for this. Start with the minimum length 0. 0 means null string is included in this set of string? No, it is not included in this language. Now, single 0 is allowed? No, because it is not start with 1. Single 1 is allowed? Yes, it is start with 1. 1 0 is allowed? Yes. 0 1 is allowed? No, because it start with the 0. Okay. Now, double 1 is allowed? Yes. 101, 100, likewise valid string is generated. Now always notice down the letter should be 1 is appear first. Those kind of string is a valid string. So what we are going to do? How we can write down the regular expression? So first of all, we have to write down at the position which they have given first. So for what letter should be appear first? 1. So 1 dot, and after this one, if I want to generate infinite set of string, Okay, so after this one, 0, 1 combination, any combination of 0, 1's allowed. So how we can write down 0 plus 1 whole star, because star is indicating this term 0 plus 1. Either you can pick up 0 or 1. So any combination you can take. Okay, in place of star I can put 0. It means that 1 dot null star, star in place of star. If you put 0, it means that this term is null. Okay, length 0, it means that null string is generated. If I put 1, means this term is repeated only one time. Either you can take 0 or 1. So 1 0 1 1 like this. So likewise we can write down the regular expression for it. Okay, so always remember, whenever I said that any combination of 0 1's allowed, it means that we have to simply write down 0 plus 1 whole star. Okay, now next, strings and with 1 over the alphabet 0 comma 1. Now they have given the position at the end. So here fixed position at the end symbol must be 1. Single 1 is allowed, yes. 0 1 is allowed, yes. Double 1 is allowed, yes. Okay, 1 0 is allowed, no. Okay, now length 3. 0 0 1. Triple 0 allowed, no, because it does containing end with 1. Okay, now how we can write down the regular expression. So I have already discussed in a previous example. The position is given start, but here position is given end. So we simply write down the last letter is 1. Okay, before it any combination of 0 1's allowed, yes. So we can simply write down the 0 plus 1 star dot 1. Now next, strings that start with 1 and end with 0 over the alphabet 0 comma 1. So they have given two conditions which combine with the and. So whenever and word is appear, it means that this two symbol is uh, concatenation operator is used, which means that dot operator. Now start is 1, so 1 first letter, and is 0, but in between any combination of 0 1's allowed. So we simply write down 1 dot 0 plus 1 whole star dot 0. Okay, likewise. So 1 0, in place of star I can put 0. So what kind of string is generated? 1 0. Okay, 1 1 0. So in place of star put the 1. So this term is repeated one time. So 1 1 0 like this. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now move on the next. Strings that start and end with the same character. Okay, same character. So they have not given the specific character. In the previous example they have given the specific character, but here they have not given the specific character. So we have to focus on alphabet. What character we can take from the alphabet? So they have given 0 comma 1. So if the string start with the 0 and with the 1 and with 0, start with 1 and with 1, start with 0 and with 0 like this. So there are two options available. Okay, so either you can use option 1 or option 2. So or word is used. It means that we have to define two terms which connected with the or operator, which is plus symbol likewise. So like this. 0 0 plus 1 start 0, it means that this first term is defined, if it is start with 0 and with 0, and the last term start with 1 and with 1 likewise. Now string containing 0 0 as a substring over the alphabet. Okay, now they have given the substring 0 0. Now substring, what kind of value string is generated? Double length 1, length 0, null string is allowed? No, because it is not containing substring 0 0. Length 1, single 0, single 1 is allowed? No, it is not valid string because it is not containing substring 0 0. Now length 2, 0 0 allowed? Yes. 1 0 allowed? No. 0 1 allowed? No. 1 1 allowed? No. 1 double 0 allowed? Yes. 0 0 1 allowed? Yes. Okay, so likewise infinite set of strings this language generated which containing 0 0 as a substring. Now we have to write down the regular expression. How we can write down the regular expression? So whenever the substring word is given, we have to write down the substring 0 0, and before it Any combination of 0 ones allowed, and after this any combination of allowed 0 ones, like this. Suppose I want to generate I want to generate only string 0 0. So in place of this 2 star, I have put down the 0. So this 2 term is repeated 0 times and middle 0 0. Suppose I want to generate the string 0 0 1. So in first term I have put down the 0 and the last term I have put down the 1. So null dot 0 0 dot raised to 1 means this term is repeated one time, so either you can take 0 or 1. So suppose I want to generate 0 0 1, so in this term we can pick up the 1. Likewise we can generate it the set of strings which containing substring, like 100 if I want to generate it. In the first term star is star is repeated one time, last term is repeated 0 times, so pick up the 100 likewise. The string containing consecutive 3 ones. Okay, now 3 ones, they have given 3 ones should be appear 3 ones. So how we can write down the regular expression? So it is we cannot very similar, but it is some kind of similar to the previous example. So 3 ones should be appear. Okay, so we have to write down the regular expression for this, like 3 ones we have to write down, and before this 3 1 0 plus 1 star, and after this one 0 plus 1 star, any combination of 0 ones. So suppose I want to generate triple ones 0. So first star put the 0 and last star put the 1. So triple 1 0. 0 triple 1 allowed? Yes. So in first star put the 1 and last star put the 0. So I hope it is clear to you. Now string do not end with double 1. Now they have given, now previous example that we have already seen, we do not use the word do not end with like this. Okay, whenever the word is appeared, do not end with, like the position is given, do not end with. How we can write down? So this for this kind of examples, we have to understand, we have to think about the set of valid string. So always start with the length 0. Length 0 means null string is included. Yes. Null single 0 is included. Length 1. Move on the length 1. Single 0 is included. Yes. It is not ended with double 1. Single 1 is allowed. Yes. It is not ended with. Now move on the length 2. What kind of combination 0 1 alphabet is generated from this alphabet 0 1? Okay. What kind of string is generated from this alphabet 0 1? Length 2. 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay. So 0 0 is allowed. Yes. 1 0 is allowed? Yes. 0 1 is allowed? Yes. 1 1 is allowed? No, because it is not ended, because it is ended with double 1, and they have said that do not end with double 1. Now line 3, triple 0. Okay, triple 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, likewise. Okay, so how we can write down the regular expression for it? So here you can see that I have included this length by using the plus option, either single length 0, length 1 and length 2 combined with the star. Okay, so length 0 null string, single 0 allowed, single 1 allowed, plus null string, plus 0 plus 1 plus. Now length 2 or more string, if I want to generate it, the last term is used. Okay, now they have given the position do not end, so length 2 is right down at the end. So length 2, what kind of valid combination we can take? 0 0 1 0 and 0 1, but not included 1 1, because it may be ended with double 1, and before this 0 plus 1 star, yani 0, it means that 0 1's combination allowed. Okay, so 0 plus 1 star. Suppose I want to generate it length 2 string, so OR option is available because all the strings is connected with the plus symbol. So at the end, in place of star, I have put down the 0. So 0 means it generated null string dot what string we have generated? Length 2. So 0 0 0 1 and 1 0 we can, but not included double 1. Suppose I want to generate length 3 strings, so in place of star I can put 1. So either you can pick up 0 or 1, and it is combined with the length 2 strings. So it generated length 3 string like this. Length 2 combined with the length 1. It is generated length 3. Length 2 combined with length 2. 4, 5, 6 like this. It is generated. So I hope it is clear to you. And At the end, string should have odd length. Now odd length, what logic I can use? What logic we can use? So odd length means the string which containing length 1, length 3, length 5, length 7, length 9 likewise. So can we express it to n plus 1 where n is our raised to. Now 2 it defines the terms. Two terms and this term is repeated star. Dot. Plus means dot. The last term like this you can see over here. So 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 whole star. So two terms is repeated 0 or more times, and whenever this two term is appeared, it is combined with the last term, which is a single time is repeated, not repeated, single time appears. It means that whenever I generated the string, it is compulsory we have to take the last term. Either you can, in the last term you can take 0 or 1. Okay, like triple zero. So in these two terms I can pick up 0 0 and star is repeated one time. So 0 0 dot 0 0 1. So last time I can pick up 1. Okay, triple zero 0 0 0. Suppose I want to generate 5 zeros. So in place of star repeated, the star in place of star I can put 4. So this two terms is repeated, sorry, 2, and plus of star is 2. So this term is repeated 2 times. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 dot 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 0 0 0 dot single 0. Okay, so 5 zeros like this. 5 valid length is odd length. Always remember we have to always think about the odd length. Single 0 is allowed? Yes. So in place of star we have to put down 0. So this term is repeated 0 time, it means the null, and at the end term we can pick up the 0 because this last term is not repeated, always remember. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you, this concept is clear to you. Thank you all.